Let us pause as we learn English with Sopodiva and consider the intricate web of life that surrounds us every day. At the heart of this web is our environment, a complex tapestry woven from countless threads that intertwine and interact in ways that shape every aspect of life on Earth. The environment can be defined as the sum total of all external conditions that affect the life, development, and survival of an organism. This includes everything from the air we breathe, to the ground beneath our feet, to the creatures we share our world with. Imagine, if you will, how we as humans breathe in oxygen produced by plants. These plants in turn rely on the carbon dioxide exhaled by us for their photosynthesis. This is just one example of the countless interactions that occur every day, illustrating that we're all part of a vast interconnected system. Indeed, the environment is a complex system of interrelated elements, each playing a crucial role in our survival. Have you ever wondered why we can breathe on Earth but not in space? It's all thanks to our atmosphere, an invisible shield that wraps around our planet like a protective blanket. This thin layer of gases absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and moderates our climate, creating a cozy environment that supports life as we know it. The main characters in this gaseous mix are nitrogen and oxygen, making up about 98% of the atmosphere. Other supporting players include carbon dioxide, argon, and trace amounts of various other gases. Think about the weather changes we experience daily. From the cool breezes of spring to the sweltering heat of summer, it's our atmosphere that's behind the scenes, pulling the levers and turning the dials. So next time you take a breath, remember the invisible shield, the atmosphere that makes it possible. It's more than just air, it's our planet's life support system, and it's what makes Earth, well, Earth. Have you ever thought about why Earth is often called the blue planet? The answer lies in the vast expanses of water that cover our world, forming what we call the hydrosphere. This term refers to all the water present on Earth, whether it's in the atmosphere, on the surface, or deep underground. Water, in its many forms, is essential for all known forms of life. Every living organism, from the tiniest microbe to the largest blue whale, requires water to survive. But the hydrosphere's role extends far beyond just providing a drink to quench our thirst or a habitat for whales to live in. The hydrosphere is a vital regulator of the Earth's temperature. It's like Earth's personal climate control system. For instance, the oceans, which form the largest part of the hydrosphere, act as vast storage heaters. They absorb heat from the sun during the day and release it slowly at night. This function ensures that the temperature on our planet doesn't fluctuate wildly from day to night. Moreover, the oceans distribute this stored heat around the world through currents, helping to regulate local climates. Think about it. Without these vast bodies of water, some parts of the world would be unbearably hot, while others would be frigidly cold. Indeed, without the hydrosphere, life as we know it would cease to exist. Ever wonder about the ground beneath your feet or the vast array of life it supports? Well, let's dig a little deeper into the Earth's geosphere and biosphere. The geosphere, to put it simply, is the solid part of our planet. It encompasses everything from the mountains towering above us to the hidden depths of the Earth's core. It's the crust we walk on, the mantle beneath, and the core, the Earth's heart, beating with molten iron and nickel. Now, imagine the geosphere as the stage upon which the drama of life unfolds, and that's where the biosphere comes in. The biosphere is the part of Earth that teems with life. It's in the deepest oceans, the highest peaks, and everywhere in between. It's every plant, every animal, every microorganism that calls Earth home. These two spheres are intertwined, each affecting the other in a beautiful dance of give and take. The geosphere provides the physical environment for the biosphere. Mountain ranges become homes for eagles, while deep sea trenches harbor unique aquatic life. In return, the biosphere shapes the geosphere. Plant roots, for instance, can break down rocks, gradually changing the landscape over time, a process known as weathering. So, next time you walk outside, remember, you're stepping onto and interacting with the geosphere and biosphere, two critical components of our environment. To recap, our environment is a complex, interconnected system comprising the atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, and biosphere. Each of these layers plays a crucial role, from the atmosphere that shields us to the hydrosphere that sustains life, down to the geosphere and biosphere that provide our physical and living framework. They all interact in a beautiful yet delicate balance, demonstrating the intricate web that is our environment. Understanding and speaking English is key. Sopodiva is a call away to help you. Dial +233 267 092 896. After all, we need each other, and united, we stand.